Students, I'm here again to tell you the second part of your language paper. Okay, this is going to include the speaking. So, the speaking skills also will be of 10 marks, and it is an exercise to teach how you speak, how confident you are, your presence of mind, your way of speaking, your pronunciation, your command over language, and your knowledge. Okay, so it will also be conducted with your language paper, and the marks will be added. So I'm going to discuss with you how this exam is going to be conducted. Now, you as a student will be asked to make the oral presentation for about 3 minutes. You will be followed, and that it is going to be followed by a discussion on the subject with the teachers, examiners for about 2 to 3 minutes. Subject for presentation may include oral presentation, means you will have to speak, narrating an experience, giving direction how to make and operate anything, okay, something they may really give you, expressing an opinion, providing a description, giving a report about something, commenting on current event. Okay, and you are allowed to refer to the brief notes on the course of your presentation of your subject, but reading or excessive dependent on the notes will be penalized. Clear? The notes which you are going to prepare for your topic should be there to give you the direction. These are not meant to be read only. For that you will be penalized. Okay, so you will be given approximately half an hour for preparation of your subject for presentation. You will be given a choice of subject on the common paper. Clear? So the teacher will give you some topics, and you will have to choose a topic from those which have been given to you. You cannot speak on the topic thinking about your own topics. All right, he or she is going to give you set of topics, and from those topics you will have to choose one on which you are going to present your opinion. Clear? So guidelines, now there are specific guidelines for you. The most important thing is the selection of the topic from the choices given. Clear? Second is the time factor is also important. You must round up your topic within 2 minutes. Clear? Beginning, introducing, analyzing, and concluding. You have to round up your topic within 2 to 3 minutes. Clear? Come straight to the point. Do not elaborate. Clear? Next to your speaking skills should include good pronunciation, correct sentences, free of grammatical errors, clarity of speech, confidence. Clarity of speech and confidence. Good vocabulary, which is going to help to express yourself fluently. Now remember, you are just given half an hour for preparation. So time yourself and rehearse your arguments. Clear? It's an exercise. All right, it's an exercise. Utilize your time, think properly, speak properly, and definitely you'll get good marks. Now to achieve good marks, you must actually learn to speak English, practice the art of speaking English, and please carry on interacting with people, and do consult the dictionary, or you've got many devices available to learn new words. Keep attention to the things happening around you, to the thing that interest you, the scientific discoveries and the correct topics. All right. Now listen to the good speakers. Always listen to the good speakers. Now 10 marks are awarded on the speaking skills, keeping in mind the following criteria. What is the criteria? Fluency, quality of language, subject matter, delivery, and organization. Clear? These are the 5 points that will be covered to provide you 10 marks. So, good luck to you, children. For an example, I can give you certain topics so that you can understand what kind of topics are being given. Like, choose one of the topics given below. Narrate an incident when trouble erupts suddenly in a stadium during the cricket match, or you can say football match, whatever the teacher may like to give you, and you witness the riot among the crowd. Then is, give a vivid description of how you described your missing 6-year-old cousin at a police station, or relate an amusing incident which took place in your English class one day. Give reasons why you dislike reality shows on TV. Give your opinion on traffic jams that have become a regular feature of Dehradun. Alright, so you will have to describe it. Now, for an example, if I say, give a description of a missing 6-year-old boy. So you may refer to the notes when what the person looked like while giving the description to the police, what the person looked like, the clothes he was wearing, what questions he can answer, new to Dehradun, or help needed urgently. So how are you going to present? Sir, please listen to me. Sir, you've gone to the police station. Okay, sir, please listen to me. My cousin is only 6 years old. He has come to Dehradun for the first time. His family lives in Kolkata. My cousin's name is Sudhir Sharma and he speaks Hindi only. He answers to the pet name Bablu. He was playing in the garden at 10 o'clock in the morning when he disappeared. He was wearing navy blue shorts, a yellow t-shirt, and had black shoes on. He is fairly tall for his age, has a fair complexion with brown eyes and brown hair. He can tell his father's and mother's name and his Kolkata's address and the phone number. He can also tell his school's name, that is St. Xavier's, and the name of his class teacher, Mrs. Sahai. These are the questions he knows. Please help us. It's very urgent. He doesn't know our Dehradun address or phone number. Okay. So when you present your view, the examiner may ask you some question also from the part you have already spoken. So this is the way. It should be very simple, informative, right from your heart. Clear? Take the help from your parents. They are going to help you. Discuss with them certain topics. Maybe the knowledge is going to be a great help to you. Go ahead with the speaking and listening skills. Okay, and soon we'll be meeting to conduct this exam also. Good day to you.